friends, it's Julianne, and today I'm giving an honest review of the Devil Endura Lite vacuum cleaner. So this is definitely a very powerful vacuum cleaner, and it's super easy to put together. It literally took me seconds right out of the box, which is awesome. You literally just plug this handle right in with it facing this way, and that was pretty much all of the setup. And then I just put the little extension piece right into this little holder right here. It's got a very spacious canister. To empty it, you simply press this button right here, boom, and then you press that. That's how you empty it and replace the filter as well. So boom, to use it, you simply just push your foot right here and then you kick it back, and then it's got a red power button to easily turn it on. So you literally don't even have to get down there. You can easily use your foot. It comes with these little crevice attachments right here and a brush attachment as well. So you can use it in handheld position, which I love to use to vacuum my stairs. So to get it into its handheld position and use the little hose, you can simply just use this right here, and then you attach the pieces just as so. So super simple to use. Like I said, very powerful vacuum cleaner, and it is nice and lightweight, so it doesn't take up much space, and it's super easy to store, especially even if you have an apartment. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see it in action. So I'm gonna press this down right here, turn on the red So boom, and as you can see, it's got a very long and thick cord with a 2-prong outlet, so very versatile. So if you're looking for a very powerful upright vacuum cleaner, I definitely recommend the Devil Endura.